Hi. We're gonna use chickens. Oh wait, can you get armor on the chickens?
Huh?
Armor on the chickens. Can you get armor on the chickens?
I don't think so.
You get it from the level 15 game level, not battle pass. They changed the battle pass kit. Oh, we have 4. We have 4 chickens.
4 chickens.
Oh.
Oh, they also have 4 chickens.
Somebody's using Whisper, imagine. Imagine using Whisper when a new kit's out. Chicken. Ooh, an Ignis.
The chicken power.
For 40 iron each.
It's basically everybody's favorite kid.
Yeah, until the next week. Should we buy chicken or should we buy...
I'm not even gonna buy any chickens actually as for now. I'm getting diamonds.
Artillery, thankfully have a good team working. Start.
Talia, I can't believe you turned into a bedroom kid. What made your time up to be a bedroom kid though?
Hello. Oh, never mind. Oh, for a free iron each. That's even a better deal because I just so conveniently have for a free iron.
It used to be 30 iron though.
No,
Wait, you can upgrade your chicken.
Oh, what do you mean?
Now look in the forge. That's the very last one. The very last one.
You can upgrade your chicken! I just upgraded my chicken. I don't think I should have done that. You can upgrade your chickens. We didn't know that. You're that dumb. Oh, it's so cute.
Imagine there's an entire team that does not even have a chicken kid.
An entire team of... Now we sell all these chickens for that many emeralds. Go take the jet. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, so Kyle, this is how the economic business works. You buy the chickens for iron, and then you sell them for emeralds. That's how it works. Why is there like nobody in this server? It came from a squad match and everybody just left. Just casually left. Did you really just put your egg on the tree? Wait, those
Wait,
are your eggs.
those are not my eggs.
Oh,
That
no.
must have been our old teammates' eggs.
Don't mind if I take them then. I'm about to die with 9 emeralds, so I'm just gonna take those eggs around the bin. Oh yes, we need to do that. That's right. You're smart. For 1 emerald each. I want to buy that freaking thing for 1 emerald. I'll sell it for 1 emerald though.
Oh, I just spent all of it for on these guys.
Why?
Don't ask. We all make mistakes. What? There we go.
I swear somebody's gonna think, wait, it's gonna be a good idea to buy a bow to bow me off. That's actually a good business idea.
Yeah, that's how it always works.
And we also have,
Prices increase.
but we also need more forge points.
I guess you have 0 diamonds, I assume.
0 diamonds, you're right. But now you can no longer buy them for iron, which is very bad.
Who cares about iron?
Cal,
I guess you're right.
what if it decreases?
I guess you're right. I won't fight this Paragon. Not Paragon, but Emerald. Not Emerald, but oh. You think you can do more knockback? I'm fighting. Oh, yeah, I didn't know.
I wish I could just sell it for iron. We could buy a lot of them, then we could sell it for like 1 or 2 M's. That's actually a good business deal.
Yeah, alright. I'm going to create that.
And don't take my eggs.
I'm taking my own, so it works.
Okay, I took the gen because they're there. They're still buying for 2 emeralds.
Oh, we can do that.
1 emerald.
Wait, how much do they sell for again?
1 emerald.
Oh, here. That's not good for that.
That's what I mean. You have to take the gamble. This is the gambling kit.
It's not really gambling, it's just
Bad.
not bad, but it's clearly not bad, first of all. It's everything but bad, actually, but it's just kind of, you know.
RNG.
Yeah, R&D, I guess.
Definitely gonna take some time for that to work. Oh, I just took all the items I made.
I'm not going to do it yet.
I already took like all 9 items.
I know, I'm not going to go further, actually. I'm waiting. How much?
1 emerald. You know what?
Wait, it's 1 emerald right now, right?
Yes.
I'm buying an egg.
I bought like all. I spent all my life savings on every single egg. I spent my 17 emeralds on the egg for later.
There's only like the only team that has actually 2 people besides us is Team Blue. Is
Team-
this actually how is this how squad matches go now? People just leave.
To be honest, that means we should play squads more. It's a signal for us to play squads more. Actually, we need to play squads more because of this.
Are they actually just that incompetent?
You can take the general, remember?
Oh. Thank you. Are people these days like in Bedwars just that incompetent now?
I spent my 5 emeralds on.
Oh, I'm going. No,
3 emeralds! 3 emeralds!
Three. Wait, let me park this out. Alright, that's water.
I have
Alright,
34
I'll
chickens.
save that for Emma.
Got it.
I'm gonna fight chicken.
Okay, you can do that. I have 102 emeralds. What do you mean?
You have 100 too.
Okay, I'll be taking the emeralds.
How on earth do you have 102 emeralds?
Okay, but seriously, it's actually
I'm gonna have to
bad.
fireball this guy off. I'm so sorry.
I think you should get Cloud. I got myself an emerald sword, don't worry.
Screw you. What the? There.
Cal, we're recording, remember?
Oh. Well, okay.
It's fine, I'm not gonna edit out.
You're not? Alright. Oh, alright. Pen.
You can wait.
Oh.
See, now that's the reason why I don't like to push it.
Yeah, we got it. Let's rally.
5.
We.
I'm gonna click the home button because I'm not feeling safe. Wait, did you loot mid?
No. Wait, you're looting me?
Let me guess. Guess there are 3 emeralds.
Alright, you can take all the emeralds.
I have a few. I have like 80. I can give like a ton to you.
Really? Sure.
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
But-
Wait, so can you get. Yeah, go get emerald armor first.
Oh yeah, I should tell you I have 34 chickens.
Oh, they're only selling for 1 emerald right now.
Now for 3 emeralds.
I didn't, not yet. That's not my 14 M's. There's someone coming right after you, by the way. You should run,
There is nobody coming after me. Why?
No, there was somebody just like right behind you, but I think he ran away when you went to the base.
I need to forge my armor.
Yeah, go get armor.
I have 120 mil. This is the ultimate farm. I'm gonna spin for an actually decent enchant.
Hey, Tom.
Yeah, so don't die.
I'm now gonna use the since I really just got everything. I'm just gonna use the things for the attacking purposes only.
Wait, Cal, buy some pearls.
I already got 500.
19 should do.
Yeah, I guess. actually good. Alright, I got 13 M's. 14 M's now. Diamond?
Yes.
Tier 3.
Let's now get all those upgrades.
Alright, I'm waiting for the those guys so that I can actually deploy all
For
these
one?
things.
You're wanting to sell for 1?
Oh no, so I can buy it. I'm gonna focus more on tactics. So.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. You gotta get the upgrades as well. I forgot. Wait.
4 emeralds each?
Oh, I should have bought them guys.
It's fine, pretty rare.
Yeah.
I have 2 chicken eggs on the way down. We're an unbeatable force at this point.
Even if I slip into the void, I will just get caught by the fire. The only thing I'm worried about is the other
Teams?
the other green team especially mostly. Alright, I got 9 emeralds I can deliver to you.
Diamonds?
Diamonds.
Me too, I have 9. Let's take the, hold on, just wait. Let's take the Gen 2.
Oh, I got one more emerald. No, diamonds. What do we need now? Now we just need armor cross.
I plan on just deploying my chickens for battle purposes.
Yeah, alright. Let's get all these upgrades and then we'll rush.
Sure. So let me grab my 2 chickens. How many chickens you got?
0. Oh, come on.
I'm just gonna buy chickens just for... Look, I spent like so much money on like 7 chicken eggs.
There we go.
Oh, look at this.
Here's some.
Let me just
There you go.
fix that structure.
Alright, how many diamonds?
It used to be in.
It's not like you can see us right now.
I'm a bit greedy.
Don't you dare.
A bit greedy, I'm sorry.
Alright, I think we can move forward.
Oh, I see Team Green.
Let them 1v1 for a little bit. I think they see us. Let us. Don't really care now.
We have too many teleports. What's the point?
Oh, I got him. 16 M's, alright. Give me a sec. Actually, you know what? Let's do this.
40 diamonds against the void. If they have plunder, we're
Wait,
dead.
give me a sec. I'm coming. Wait.
What are you gonna buy?
Kill pearls? Alright, I'm throwing all my resources into the void now.
Except your emeralds.
Because, well, I'm not gonna grow any more. Oh, God, wait, actually, no, I have cloud.
Okay, shall we go?
Let's do this.
Let's teleport to Diamond Gen.
No worries, I have cloud.
Cal. No
I'm wasting my teleports.
Cal, I have 76. What do you need?
Alright, I'm ready. Oh!
Hurry, I'm
I'm
here, I'm here.
He's dead. It's only now this guy that's hiding.
Well, I don't think that he's
Wait.
gonna...
Oh, I was gonna say, don't risk it, but
That was actually...
Who doesn't stand a chance against you two? GG.
This is the
New kid
best
OP.
farming kit in the game.
Yeah, new kit OP.
Chicken.
Oh, got the most damage. Chicky.